Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, federal government suspends Twitter operations in Nigeria. Let's check out details. The federal government has suspended indefinitely the operations of microblogging and social networking service Twitter in Nigeria. On Friday, the federal government announced via a tweet through the handle the Federal Ministry of Information and Culture (FMIC) Nigeria, saying, press release, federal government suspend at Twitter operations in Nigeria. In case you're wondering why, here is the gist. On Tuesday, President Muhammadu Buhari made a series of tweets which Twitter later took down, saying that it violated the Twitter rules. Twitter deleted tweets by Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari. Pro-Biafra groups blamed for escalating attacks on government and security authorities. The social media firm said Buhari's tweet violated its abusive behavior policy, leading to a 12-hour suspension of his account. The tweet promised a response to waves of attacks blamed on the Eastern Security Network (ESN), an armed group which emerged from the main pro-Biafran secessionist movement, the Indigenous People of Biafra. In recent months, attacks targeting police stations, government buildings, and electoral offices in southeast Nigeria, as well as the killing of a number of government and civil service officials, have been blamed on the ESN. Buhari referenced his role as a brigade major during the bitter 1967 Biafra War, when an attempted secession for an independent state sparked one of the darkest chapters in Nigerian history. Nigeria's military was widely accused of potential war crimes and abuses, and millions of people died from hunger and malnutrition after a government-backed blockade was imposed by the military. This is what Buhari tweeted. Many of those misbehaving today are too young to be aware of the destruction and lives that occurred during the Biafra War. Buhari said, those of us in the field for 30 months who went through the war, we treat them in the language they understand. Several Twitter users said they reported the tweet for inciting violence in the predominantly ethnically Igbo region. The next day, Twitter took down the post. Nigeria's Information Minister Lai Mohammed, however, dismissed Twitter's action, saying that Twitter may have its own rules, it is not the universal rule. He told reporters that if Mr. President anywhere in the world feels very bad about a situation, he is free to express such views. He said the president's comments among the harshest yet on the crisis in the southeast comes amid escalating attacks against security forces and government authorities across the region, blamed on pro-Biafra militants. Anyway, it feels like the government's way of coming back at Twitter after taking down Buhari's tweet is to suspend Twitter's operation in Nigeria. So many people have, however, kicked against this, and the reaction is boiling on social media at the moment. Guys, what do you think? Let's know what you think in the comment section down below. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.